I enjoy my job as a VC. I truly think I am privileged to do this work, but not for all the hyped reasons when people think of VCs. I don't think of this job as glamorous. It requires a lot of long term patience. It requires many broad based skills. And there is a mistaken notion that you get to make a lot of money and quick money as a VC. Truth is far from that. But the reason I like my job is because you really meet extraordinary people. You are always learning on the cutting edge of things. You are tested every day on your patience as well as your ability to work with many different styles and philosophies, and you get to be part of future. These are the things I enjoy the most about what I do day to day. But let me share with you what a typical day looks like for me as a managing partner at the firm and what motivates me every day to do what I do. Habitually, I'm an early riser. I like to start my day with self reflection and with new possibilities. I'm up at 5:30 a.m., starting with my yoga and my meditation. And typically, I'm starting my work day at around 8 a.m. I generally prefer not to take a lunch break and I end my day around 5 or 6 p.m. It's my family time till around 8 p.m. and between 8 and 10, I get in some work because I like to end my day finishing all my to-dos and not have pending work for the next day. Generally, I like to be off screen by 10 p.m. and be in bed by 10:30 or 11. My calendar generally is very structured. I like to be organized and know what my day is going to look like. I think of each day as a new adventure to learn and also to unlearn. And it seems that almost no day passes by without some firefighting that was unanticipated. And this is due to the fact that we are working with so many companies and there's always some crisis or the other that crops up. For us at Kalari, Mondays is all hands, meeting with the teams amongst ourselves on various projects we are all working on, and also meeting with many of our portfolio companies, and sometimes also meeting new investment opportunities. Mondays are my busiest day of the week and the days that I have the least flexibility. The other 4 days is spent with portfolio companies, either in board meetings and or ad hoc topics. I'm usually very much in touch with all our CEOs. Part of the week goes into meeting new companies and learning about new ideas, in research on upcoming opportunities and themes, as well as exploring relationships to create synergies with the firm and with our portfolio companies. So, a typical day may be a combination of meeting new companies, meeting existing portfolio companies, board meetings, problem solving, writing and researching, addressing the needs of the firm. At my core, I continue to think of myself as an entrepreneur, though I know the role I carry is an investor. This is probably because I was an entrepreneur first, building 2 successful companies in Silicon Valley before I decided to become an investor in India and work closely with startups here, building great companies out of India. It's this purpose that drives me every day. I come from a school of thought that it's really important to be hands-on and detail-oriented, and the only way to do this effectively in the long run is to truly have a passion for this job and curiosity. Anyone aspiring to be a great VC needs to be really multidimensional by nature, enjoy multitasking, and have the ability to work with many different people from all walks of life. Above all else, having empathy for founders and having the ability to create deep relationships with entrepreneurs is the most important aspect of succeeding as a VC. I want to show you how I allocate my time quarter over quarter in a year. As a junior associate, you are likely to also spend time in each of these functions, but perhaps in a very different time proportion.